Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a flawless, seamless pattern in Canva. Whether you need a repeating background for your website, a fun print for merchandise, or you just want to play with creative digital designs, this workflow will save you so much time. By the end of this video, you'll know how to whip up your own custom patterns that repeat perfectly every time, all inside Canva, right from your browser. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open Canva in your browser. You can use either the free version or Canva Pro for this, so don't worry if you haven't upgraded yet. Now, once you're on the homepage, look for the button labeled Create a Design. Give that a click, here where the magic starts. Instead of picking a template, we're going to make our own custom-sized canvas because seamless patterns work best when they have very specific dimensions. In the menu, select Custom Size, and then in the fields provided, type in 100 by 100. That's 100 pixels wide and 100 pixels tall. It's a very small workspace, almost like drawing on a postage stamp. But trust me, this is exactly what we want because repeating patterns rely on being the same all around the edges. If you use a larger size, sometimes details can get lost and the repeat might not line up on all sides. So once you've entered those dimensions, hit that Create New Design button, and Canva will open up your tiny, perfect square. Alright, now the blank canvas is ready. Let's make something awesome. In the side panel on the left, you'll see an Apps button. Don't be shy, go ahead and click that. In the search bar at the top, type Pattern Generator. If you haven't used this before, it's a really handy tool within Canva that takes a lot of the heavy lifting out of making seamless designs. Once it pops up, just click on it to open. Pattern Generator will show you tons of different pre-made patterns, from classic polka dots to trendy geometric shapes and playful waves. Take your time to scroll through and pick one that catches your eye. If you're not sure which one to use, just choose something simple for practice. You can always go fancier once you get the hang of it. Once you've picked a pattern, it's time to make it yours. You'll usually see an option to customize the colors. Don't skip this step. The color palette you pick can totally transform the mood of your pattern. Maybe you need something soft and pastel for a baby shower invite, or maybe a high-contrast, bold look for a cool business card background. Try out a few combinations and see what feels right. If you don't like how it looks, it's super easy to go back and tweak. After you've set your colors, simply hit Apply to Design, and you'll see your pattern fill that custom 100x100 canvas. That's your seamless block. The beauty of working at this size is that any edge will match up with its opposite side, so when this is repeated, it fits together like a puzzle with no visible seams. When you're happy with your pattern, the final step is to save your work. Just go up to the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Download. I suggest saving as a PNG for the highest quality, but JPG works fine too. Give it a name you'll remember, and then you're all set. And that's all there is to it. You've just made your very own seamless pattern in Canva. If any part felt a little fast or confusing, don't stress, just hit pause or rewind and take your time experimenting. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and don't forget to drop your questions in the comments below. I love helping out. Make sure to subscribe for more practical design tips and easy to follow tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.